Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you day 5 little whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. For day 5, we're going to look for this purple splash whale and I'm going to show you the location. Okay, the purple one is located here. You're going to go to this building at the Whale Fall Canyon right here, and this is the location guys. Okay, you can visit this location and you will find this purple splash whale. I'm going to take a photo of it. Okay, done. And then we're going to find the bubble to claim the purple splash whale furniture. All right, the bubble is located here near this rock. Okay, and let me show you the location on the map. Okay, this one guys, and we're going to pop the bubble to claim the furniture. Okay guys, and that's the day 5 little whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.